What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond from Operation Work From Home. And in today's video, I will be talking about the GetUpside app, GetUpside app, and how does it work. Okay, so if you are not familiar with this app, I'm about to go into details for that. But before I get into that, I just wanted to show you guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And that's how you stay up to date with the videos that I will be releasing. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Now, if you're not familiar with the GetUpside app, as you can see, all these green dots are different gas stations that are partners in here, right? And they're saying, hey, if you go to this gas station, we want to give you cash back just for using the app, okay? So, for example, I'm going to click on this 20 cents a gallon right here. It says, hey, if you go to this gas station, we will give you 20 cents on the gallon, up to 50 gallons, okay? So what you do, you select it and you click on claim. After you go on claim, it kind of gives you information about that gas station, and then it tells you have 4 hours to upload that receipt. So it's real simple to use. What you're going to do is you're going to go to that gas station. Well, first you're going to claim the gas station. Use a debit or credit card to pump your gas, okay? And then after you do that, you're going to get the receipt, and then you're going to click on the upload receipt. After you do that, you will get cash back within, if it's not the same day, they're pretty good about getting it right back to you, but you will get it back within the next day, okay? And I think on weekends they might not have anybody there doing processing claims, so you would have to probably wait till Monday for them to process that. So as I'm gonna go back, and as you can see, all these different gas stations, they're giving you cash back just to pump gas. You know, you're gonna pump gas anyway, so why not take advantage of the gas? As you can see, I've made $43 from this. And then what you'll do is you download the app, set your account up, and then you click the gas station, go to that gas station, upload your receipt, and then you get cash back. And then if you refer friends, whenever they pump gas, you will get, I believe, 1 to 2 cents per gallon, okay? Anytime they pump gas. And then, you know, it kind of create that snowball effect, okay? You know, my buddy that put me onto this app, oh man, he's killing it. He has $2,000 in his balance, and it's just growing every single day, you know. So I know if he could do it, you know, that gives me something to look forward to. And, you know, I wanted to show what I've made so far, just to kind of give you, you know, let you know, hey, you can do this too. It's real simple. Just go to the gas station, upload the receipt, get the receipt, upload the receipt, and then that's it. And then share it with your friends. Hey, why not? It's free. It doesn't cost anything. And then let me give you a quick tip. So if they have a rewards program, you can still use their rewards programs, because that's completely separate from the app. You can use the app, and then that's how you can double dip. Now you want to know how you triple dip? Use that credit card that has that cash back, right? Or even if you have a debit card with the rewards, that's how you triple dip. Okay, so it's real simple. Get the app, get the receipt, upload the receipt, boom, you are in the money. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you and let you know how the GetUpside app works. You will see the link for the app down below. And my promo code is cashbackatthepump.com. It'll take you to the site to where you download the app, and then you'll be good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to helping you on your next video. All right.